Did you notice that our investing sentiment score just jumped to plus 0.75? That's a significant uptick compared to historical levels, especially when paired with a momentum of minus 0.36. This suggests that while sentiment is bullish, underlying momentum is lagging, indicating potential volatility ahead. In our API, you can pull this data seamlessly, allowing you to analyze sentiment trends and integrate them directly into your trading strategies. For instance, you might want to adjust your portfolio allocations in response to this sentiment surge, while being cautious of the negative momentum trend. This insight can drive critical decisions in real time, making your strategies more adaptive and responsive to shifts in sentiment dynamics. Check out our documentation at pulsebit.loj enterprise.com/docs to get started.